There's a whole world falling, dog, and most don't know. God, he is for them and he's calling them home. But how would they know it if his folk don't go out into the world, reconciling their souls? Got the blueprint, homie, he's making it known. The new wind's blowing on his faithful and shows signs and by wonders, yeah, he gave us the code. And his love for the world, dog, he came in its own. Back then, couldn't focus. It's clear now that I'm zoned in. Guess it must have been the cannon that freaked out my opponents. Cause I was blinded by spec. Got stuck in self-promotion. Took my eyes off the fold. And why you think you're so lonely? But the comeback got ferocious. Got re-flooded with emotions. I don't love to get love back. Had to reassess my own motives. And now it's back to the mission. No Tom Cruise to depict this, but it still feels like a movie. To move in power as a Christian. So we press on and watch hell get flexed on. I'll never take my vest off, got the shield on like Teflon. Moving love, armored up, just let me preach, no TED Talks. Got the code, now I'm setting off, and I do it all for the elect. There's a whole world falling, dog, and most don't know. God, he is for them and he's calling them home. But how would they know it if his folk don't go out into the world, reconciling their souls? Got the blueprint, homie, he's making it known. And shows signs and by wonders, yeah, he gave us the code. And his love for the world, dog, he came in its own. Look, my creed is to Apollo, Christ King is my motto, and I'ma live what he modeled. He said these signs shall follow. So I'ma stand by the Bible. I hope you ain't trying to get coddled. Cause the church, it ain't got its power, yo. That's a counterfeit product. Ain't no peace signs for opponents, and I don't see signs to get noticed, no. But once I put it into practice, I got seal sign to promote it. And that's why I've been emboldened, been prone to just going. Cause I commit my devotion to make them known and the known. The sun is light for us. Tonight we must ignite his love. So come alive, the time has come. Arise from the dust, anyone that would come.
I decided it was time for me to live, but the hardest part is try. They say you either get busy with living or get busy dying. You see, there's only one me, and I'ma be who I'm supposed to be. Nobody said it would be easy. See, I was never given much, I wanna take that too. But everybody gets a chance, do what you gotta do. Can nobody take it from me? You make me wanna quit. You only get one life, no matter what, you better live it.
When you're with us, you're not alone, you're not alone, baby. You're not alone when you're with us, and
We ain't afraid to die. We ain't afraid of night. If the world is gonna end, you know that I'll bring all my friends to us. We ain't afraid to die. I learned a long time ago, life is a gift that I've been given. It's been me against the world, but I knew I'd never give in. Life can hurt, but ever since my rebirth, I stepped out of my way and discovered what I'm really worth.